Imagine you could press a button and earn $10 in just a minute. How incredible is that? In just a moment, we will instruct you on how to watch a basic video such as this, and you could begin earning $250 to $600 per hour by watching videos. This is astounding, and all you need to execute this strategy is a simple smartphone or computer, as it is 100% free and available worldwide. In a moment, we will demonstrate how to create a free account as well as which videos pay the most quickly. We will provide you with a working example of how to get started, plus a bonus tip that will help you earn an additional $300 at the end of this video. So don't skip any portion of this video and pay close attention to the end. We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills, and we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits. This is Money Mentor. If you want to stay updated on new online money-making methods, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to get you notified whenever we upload new videos. This channel is open to all opinions, so feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. First, conduct a search for twitch.tv on google.com. Then click the search button and the first link will appear here, twitch.tv. This link will take you to a website where you can watch an assortment of free videos and channels. The majority of these videos are gaming related. Therefore, we are about to make a lot of money online by using videos like this one. Immediately, when you click the browse button at the top, you will then be directed to this page where you can browse through the various categories and videos available on this website. From there, you can navigate further down to the page to discover additional video categories. Now, we want you to focus on this category, which is the Fortnite category, as it contains one of the most popular gaming videos currently available. Clicking on this category will take you to the Fortnite section, which has more than 62 million subscribers. Numerous individuals are interested in viewing these videos. Scrolling further will reveal even more videos that you can watch and earn money from. For the next step, please visit the website OKE.io. This is the website that we will use to watch videos of this type and to discover how to make a fortune online. In this video, we will show you precisely how to perform this task, as it is quite simple. Take a look at how it works. You must initially create a free account on this website. Following that, you will be able to shorten your link. Let's say we copied this video's link, returned to this page, and paste the Twitch TV URL link. Then click here to shorten the URL. This is a shortened link provided by this website. And each time someone clicks on your shortened link, you will continue to earn money. Depending on who clicks on it and from what country they originate, you will earn varying amounts of money. Those from Germany, for instance, can earn $5 when they click on your link, while those from the United States can earn $5.10. This is precisely how these individuals from all over the world were able to earn money online, sometimes hundreds of dollars by simply posting a link to a short video on this website. Now, take note of this. There are currently more than 373,000 people actively using this website and earning daily income. And they may offer a range of payment options such as PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Allow us to demonstrate how to create a free account. You only need to click the sign up button at the top of the page, and you will be directed to this page where you can sign up for a new membership for free and with no financial commitment. Simply enter your username and email address, then confirm your password and click the I am not a robot and submit buttons. You may then log into your brand new account. On this page, which is also the homepage, you can see how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you can make on this site. This account is brand new, and we have not yet displayed any links. As you can see, we have not yet earned any money. Here are some actual examples of how to accomplish this. First and foremost, we want you to return to Twitch TV and look for 3 videos in the Fortnite category. The first video, the second video, and the third video are clicked on.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's continue. We will need to launch multiple browsers and load the videos numbered 1, 2, and 3. We're going to return to the first video, and we want you to click the share button and then copy the URL link for this video. Simply click on copy, and then we will return to our account's dashboard, where we will enter the Twitch TV link into the box. Then we want you to click on shorten, and the site will automatically shorten the link. After that, we are going to copy it immediately. So basically, we are providing you with this ready-made script right now. This is our bi-weekly video post, which you can copy and paste and use immediately to begin earning money. We will provide you a brief introduction of this game, followed by a reference to 4 more Fortnite videos. This is where we have pasted the shortened links to the 3 videos, which you can access by clicking the link below. And each time someone clicks on your link, you will receive compensation. Assume, for instance, that we will paste the shortened link beneath the first video. This is our first link to a URL. Each time someone clicks on your link, you will receive a different amount of money based on their country of origin. For example, you will earn $4 if someone from Norway clicks on your link. Now, simply repeat the process and navigate back to the second video, where you will click the share button and copy the long URL link. Click on the copy, and we will return to our dashboard to delete this one by clicking the delete button. Next, paste the new URL for the second video and click the shorten button. Again, the website will automatically shorten the URL to this link. Then all that is required is to click the copy button and return to our copy and paste template. Paste the new second video link and click the shorten button. We will then go to the third video. Scroll down and click the share button again to copy the video's URL link. After that, we will then return to the dashboard, delete everything, paste the new third video link, and click the shorten button. Here is our third video link, which can be copied and pasted directly into the template. And that concludes instructions. Now, we will provide you with a complete template that you can copy and paste, and by using it, you can start earning money immediately. As usual, we will provide you additional tip at the end of the video. Now, we want you to visit the site immediately. Forums.pcgamer.com is an extremely popular and well-known gaming community where members discuss a variety of gaming-related topics, including Fortnite videos. We like this website because it is accessible from anywhere in the world and is completely free. Every day, there is a great deal of discussion and people talking about gaming. There are more than 22,000 messages and more than 300 posts in the PC gaming section of the general gaming forum. Suppose clicking on this link takes us to this page where we can find various posts. On this forum, a large number of users write brief, straightforward posts, and that receives a large number of page views. There are a great deal of options in this website. Now, when we search for the Fortnite keyword, we can see that many people are discussing this subject, and there is currently a high demand for gaming videos. Twitch TV reveals that over 62 million individuals follow Fortnite videos. This forum is an excellent location to copy and paste and share the exact template with other forum members. You can then make money whenever someone clicks on one of your shortened links depending on the country from which they originate. And that is precisely how everyone here makes money.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be updated with our new videos. Once again, this is Money Mentored. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.